One of the things that we often explain to folks is the team that you need to build in order to grow as a family, right? And so I always tell people, if you have a financial advisor and he's making you money, that's great. If you have a CPA that saves you money, even better. If you have an estate plan that says if something happens to us, here's where all of our things go, that's spectacular. However, if your insurance agent or broker doesn't dot an I or cross a T, you now have an event that has to come out of the trust. It's going to be a taxable event and a liquid event of paying for something that the policy should have covered. More importantly, while we're on the topic of a trust, if you have an actual trust, you need to make sure that the trust is named on your insurance. Because in the event that something happens, it won't work, right? So if it only goes to the named insured, typically our homeowners and our auto policies have first and last name on it. Those are the only people that have a say on what happens with that insurance. So if you have your insurance in a trust in case something happens for you, so that the power of attorney and who's ahead of your trust has access to it, they wouldn't be able to access the insurance. And that's something that we see people often miss, is that they have a trust, which is great, but the insurance itself doesn't name the trust. And that's very important in the event of something tragic happening.